Hey guys, here for a vlog video, and just want to do a quick bit of housekeeping, and then I'll ask a question to the community because I'm really interested in this, and I'll get onto that later. So first, you'll notice that on the channel, on my channel, below on the main channel bit, you'll see a What's the Crap, which is where I should hopefully keep you up to date on what videos I've got coming and at what stage they're at, such as the Lancelot Albion. I've said I've done the editing, which I have, most of it, and all the filming's done, so it's nearly done. And, you know, hopefully this will be a way for you to keep track of what's coming and how it's proceeding, and, you know, hopefully I'll keep that up to date, but who can say. So, my question, I'm stealing from Vangelis, basically, because I remember him saying, or telling me he wanted to do this a long time ago, but he hasn't done it. So I'm going to steal it for myself, and, you know, it's his idea, but he hasn't done it, so too bad, Chris. I'm sorry. So basically, I want to know, and a good many people want to know, if you could improve your video, not anybody else's, not how you could improve my videos, not how you could improve Dave's videos, or Chris's videos, or Vangelis' videos, but how you could improve your videos for YouTube. How would you do it, and what would you do? Chris was saying that this is like one of the best ways to get feedback and like personal looks at your own work. It doesn't. I don't want it to be something like, "Hey, your work's stupid because you look stupid," or because, "Hey, you like toys." No, it needs to be like constructive, but it's about your own work. So, for me, I'd like to put a lot more effort into my videos, and like make them more interesting, because I find my stuff horribly boring. But that's me. I really don't like anything I do. But that's a different matter. What else could I improve? Oh, lighting. I desperately need some good lights for especially this bit. At the moment, you think, yeah, what are you talking about, Andy? The lighting's quite good. Yeah, the lighting's quite good because the sun's blaring in and I'm almost sweating from the pure disgusting heat of the effing conservatory back there, just going with heat. Bad times. Lighting again for my toy reviews. I'd love to get like some white light bulbs, because at the moment it's just kind of disgusting, kind of yellowy light, and it takes out a lot of the nice detail. I want to get a lighting setup like again like Chris has, because he has one of the best lighting setups on YouTube. I wouldn't mind an HD camera. I'll say it now. You know, actually I wouldn't mind one of those £1,000 hefty giant cameras that you carry around like that. But, you know, that's not going to happen because I can't rationalise buying it, even though I do use my camera a lot. As you can tell, I'm slightly waffling and going off topic. What else would I like? Oh, I'd like to include more comedy into my videos, but I do try, and I do add bits in, and then I'll look at it back and I go, ooh, terrible, not funny, bad times. I wouldn't mind adding more special effects into my videos. Again, it's the fact that, hey, my computer's really not built for special effects. Like, I've done things for G-Wolf V2, that nice little energy wave thing, which, you know, wasn't too bad to do. I'd like to do more of that, but the fact is my computer does not like rendering. It takes a long time to render, so yeah, if I can, I'd like to do that. Please, I hope this gets out. Post your video responses along the bottom, then I can go clickety click click click, check them all out. I want one from everybody, so I want at least 1,000. That's all of my subscribers. I want 1,000 video responses. Even the people that don't. Like Nicole, I want you to do like how you could improve your videos, because I know not doing any videos, you could improve your videos straight away by doing videos. Paul, you could do some videos. No excuse. Even if you do have the flits, no excuse. So yes, after horrible waffling and no editing, I might add, because I can't be arsed and it's just going to go up today. Anyway, okay. Thank you guys, and see you later. I'm looking forward to the responses. With heat.